Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to design the style for that pocket, how to draft that pocket. Alright, if this is your first time of visiting our channel, please click on subscribe. And for our old subscribers, thank you for being there for us. We drop video every week. Every week we drop new videos, new tutorial videos. Alright, so please watch this video till the end. Don't miss any part. Every part is important. Right, without further ado, let us go straight to our tutorial. Alright, to get out that pleated mat-like design in the pocket, all we just need to do is to cut out 2 inch. This is 2 inch. Okay, now you can use any desired length of yours. The length can be any desired one, okay, as long as you want your pocket to be. Okay, we need a lot of them. All right, this is the second part. This is the second part, also 2 inch. All right, and so this is what we'll use. All right, so I'll describe it and then we'll go straight to ironing. All right, so this is the wrong side of the fabric. This is the wrong side, while this is the right side of the fabric. So what we need to do is I'll fold here. I'll fold 1/2 inch and fold 1/2 inch here. All right, you realize that at the end it will be 1 inch. It will be 1 inch. Just fold it straight. Let it be straight. All right, 1 inch straight. All right, if I'm true, I'll show it to you. All right. All right, as you can see, I'm true. Folding, you can see. Okay, folding, and also this. And so what we need to do is this, to make this firm. Okay, to make it firm, just place hem stay inside and you iron it. All right, so what you just need to do is place this hem stay inside. Okay, all right, so what we need to do is, after placing the hem stay here, just iron. Okay, you iron. What you did to here, do the same here. Put your hem stay here also, and put hem stay here also. Right, when I'm through, I'll show you. All right, so I'm through. What I did after hemming is I just measured this 6.5. This is 6. This is 6. This is 6. This is 6. Okay, and this is 6. All right, and so while this other part I reduce their size. Okay, they will be the one that will go across our mat. All right, and so what we need to do is all right. Okay, we're dealing with 5. We'll use 5 of these. And so all we just need to do is to pass this through it. All right, pass it through it. All right, so the first one is, let me remove these 2. Okay, I'll place it this way, this. Next one is this. Okay, all And so the next one will be underneath this. So what we just need to do is take this upward, take this upward, and take this upward. So what we need to do, just place this across it. Right, return this, return this, return this. Next one is take this up, take this up. All right, if you take this up, bring it down, bring this down, and then take what you need to do, take this up, take this up, take this up. Okay. If you do not understand, go over the video again. You understand better. What you need to do, take these two up. So your matting is ready. All you just need to do, each time you place this, put a hemming gum here and you iron, put a hemming gum here, iron, put a hemming gum here, you iron. Okay, you iron each contact, putting a hemming gum in between this, in between this, in between this, in between them. Just place a hemming gum in between. When I'm through, I'm going to display it for you to see. So you can see I've matted it already. So all we just need to do is to put our pockets on top of this. All right, I'll show you. Next thing to do is to prepare the pocket. All right, so what I'll do is I'll leave 1¼ inch here. Okay, the ¼ inch is for folding allowance. All right, my matting will cover around 3½. Okay, 3½. This is the 3½. Out of the 3½, I'll be using 1/4 for folding allowance, 1/4 for folding allowance here, and 1/4 for folding allowance here. When I'm through cutting, okay, I'll show it to you. All right, so after cutting it, all you just need to do is to notch the edges. Go ahead and notch the edges. Notching should be 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch are the 4 parts or the 4 edges of the pocket. Just notch it. Please be careful while notching. All right, if not, it will exceed your desired size. Okay, all you just need to do, turn it, and the part that you notch, make sure you fold by ironing. Fold towards your side. This is the wrong side, so you fold towards the wrong side and you iron. Make sure you iron. Okay, make sure you iron. Use steam iron, or rather, if you don't have steam iron, you can use, just spray water on top of it and you iron it. All right, make sure you iron firmly to hold it firmly. All right, so this is our pocket. I've ironed here already. So what we just need to do is place it. Well, we're not going to place it straight. Okay, we place it slant like this. You can see the beauty. Okay, you can see the beauty. All right, if this video has added value to you, please don't forget to give the video a like, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on subscribe. Right, share these videos with your friends, with your neighbors, on your social media as well. Okay, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Share it for friends to see. Right, all you just need to do is you just cut a little part. That's from this, the mouth, just cut some part as well. Okay, stitch it and the pocket is ready. Right, as you can see, I'm through. Right. Please don't forget to like my YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. See you in our next video. Bye bye.